Hey everybody, how's it going? So today I got a small haul from Home Depot. I picked up a GearWrench item, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Before we get started, please like, comment, and subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Alright, so I picked up this item from Home Depot. I've been looking for this item since Autobahn Dan posted, and I'll put a link up here for his channel on YouTube. But he posted this kit on Instagram, and it's been quite a bit of time. I actually have the older version of this kit. This is 81039 1/4 inch, and so we're gonna cut it out the box real quick and we're gonna look at it. Oh, not gonna use that on this one. We're gonna use some shears. Lip is raised too high for those cutters. I haven't used these shears on plastic in a while. Come on. Okay. Plastic out the way. Come in a little tray. So the back of this, 1/4 inch drive bit driver, 6-inch handle, 1/4 inch drive slim head ratchet, 12-inch handle, 1/4 inch drive 4-inch extension bar, 1/4 inch drive 6-point sockets. It's got standard, it's got 3/16, 7/32, 1/4 inch, 9/32, 5/16, 11/32, 3/8, 7/16, half, and a 9/16. On metric, it's got 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13 millimeter 1/4 inch drive ratchet adapter ×2, which is these little guys right here. And it has 4 bits. It's got hex bits, 1/8 or 1/8 inch, 5/32, 3/16, 7/32, 1/4 inch, 5/16. It's got a 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 millimeter. And Torx bits, it's got T10, T15, T20, T25, T27, T30, T40, T45, and T50. 72 tooth gives 5-degree swing arc, so this is not a 60 tooth or a 90 tooth, even though the package has orange. But it's a nice little kit. Quick release drive, tool retention, thumb wheel to quickly turn loose fasteners. I have the older version of this unit as well that I did a video on a while back. So 1/4 inch, 4-inch extension. You have the Ratchet and the 12-inch. And they're both flex heads. And the wheel is right here at the top. Pull this light in a little closer. There you go. So you can actually turn this wheel if you need to. So if you're holding it like this. They're both flex heads. Here's the little stubby version. The stubby is a lot thicker, as you can see, than the full. It also has a locking pivot head. You lock it in the position you need. So this one is more realistic if you're using your finger. There's a 7mm, so the millimeters are on the top, standards are on the bottom. And there is a difference. You can tell the difference between the standard and the metric. The metric have these the little line on the knurlings on the bottom, where the standards just have 2 lines. A little bit adapter sticks up just a little bit up here, so you can push it down on the top to push it out, or you can just pull it out. So this is the 13mm. 13. Just check to make sure they're all here. 12. 11. 10. 6. 5. All the metric are here. 9/16, half, 7/16, 3/8, 11/32, 5/16, 9/32, 1/4, 7/32, and 3/16. So they're all here. Metric and standard. Everything that is supposed to be in it is accounted for. The chrome does look pretty nice on these sockets. You know, you can see the reflection on the light. This is an 8mm. Chrome is pretty nice on them. Here's the 1/2 inch in standard. Looks like the chrome on the standards look a little bit nicer. The broaching in the socket looks nice and clean. Doesn't look like there's any problems with the process of them being made. There is some rounded off corners, which would be like a flank plus. For the anvil on the retention for the 1/4 inch. Oh, that light just killed on me. I can grab the charger real quick for the light. There. Alright, so 1/4 inch on the back when you put where the anvil goes in. It's nice and tight. There is relief cuts on the back, little rounded relief cuts where the anvil goes. The sockets are very nice. I've used the other set, and I'll grab the other set real quick. I've used the other set quite a bit. I actually leave it in its tray. So this is the older set right here. This one just comes with metric, so 13 all the way to 4. So it's good. This set has just metric only, so it's this basically the exact same 4 to 13 millimeter. And instead of these standing up in the case, they are laying over here in the tray, which I kind of like that they stand up in this one. It's a lot easier to pick them up, because when they're laying in this tray, they're a little hard to deal with. Same on this one. It's the exact same ratchets, 81025, 81025 for the shorties, the long ratchets. See if they're the same as well. 81090, so these are also exactly the same. Difference is this kit came with standard for the sockets, and looks like the bit cases are a little bit different. So this one does not have a clip on it, the orange one does. And there's a couple different bits in here in the orange one that the red one does not have. So the orange one has these larger Allens. This is a 5/16. And what is this one right here? An 8 millimeter. So this one has an 8 millimeter and a 5/16, which is the largest. This one right here looks like the largest is this one right here, which is a 6. So the kits are a little bit different. The largest one that the older kit comes with with the red case is a 6 millimeter for the Allen. And what is the other one? The other one is this one right here, which is a 1/4 inch. So a 5 millimeter or a 6 millimeter and a 1/4 inch is the largest Allen in this case. And this one right here would be the largest, would be a 5/16 and an 8 millimeter. So the couple of the bits are a little bit bigger in this kit. There is another difference. There is a relief cut on this side on the older case. On this one, there is no relief cut. Other than that, everything else is exactly the same. 4-inch, 81114D, 81114D. I use this on small engines quite a bit, as well as getting into hard spaces inside engine bays, or even under the dash inside the vehicle. These are great. So not upset that I have 2 more of the same ratchets, not at all. I picked it up because I wanted the extra sockets. Ended up getting another 1/4 inch set, or metric set of sockets, which is not a big deal. But I wanted the standard sockets. So if need be, I can just pick this up and move it to wherever I'm working. I normally just pull what I need out of these. So if I need this and 14, I grab a 14, or a 11 or a 10 or whatever, I grab that. But they're nice sets. I do like the small details and the small things that were updated. I do like that an 8 millimeter is provided in the Allen, where this one only had a 6. So a couple nice extra added features, and I usually just put them in the toolbox. So that's just going to be the video for today. Wanted to show you guys. There is a couple slight differences between the older set and the newer set. The newer set comes with standard sockets. The older set did not. And the little 1/4 inch adapters were put in vertical instead of horizontally laying down in the older set compared to the newer set. And some different size bits compared to the older set. But that's about it. I do appreciate you guys stopping by. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Hopefully I'll see you guys on the next video. Want to say thank you to all the people that watch, like, dislike, comment, that are subscribed, not subscribed. People that watch the ads every once in a while on some of the videos. And people that use the affiliate links. You guys are the reason that the channel is monetized, and I very much appreciate it. Just wanted to say thank you to all you guys. Got lots of content coming up for you guys. We're going to start doing head-to-heads and stuff like that. Milwaukee, DeWalt, Ryobi, Metabo HPT, Boschtic, Earthquake XT, Makita, for cordless variants of all their variants in cordless batteries, as well as we got corded tools, Porter cable, we got Black & Decker, regular Stanley, corded tools, Makita and Bosch corded tools as well as pneumatic tools. So if any of those things interest you guys, smush the bell notification icon, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace!